Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Welcome to Bma's Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and this is our Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels, where we pick 5 prompts, and we do this every other Monday. We pick 5 prompts for you to use in your art to allow you to free flow and express yourself. Great for, if your craft block, you just can't figure anything out. You just can't move forward. This is a great way to break that. So we're going to go ahead and pick our prompts. We do it a little different. There is a list that we use. You can get a copy of this list from the links in the description below. And we're also going to be using the computer here to pick the numbers for us for a random generator. I'm going to pick 5 numbers, and they correspond to 5 items on our list. And then when I'm done with that, we'll go ahead and talk about them. So number 32. Number 32 is to add ink. Number 8, finger paint. Nothing funnier than a bunch of adults finger painting. Number 5, music, book, or dictionary pages. Number 23, strips of paper. And our last one for this week is number 17, and that is to use red. All righty. So add ink. That can be anything, any way that you want to do it. You could use liquid inks. You could use ink pads. You could use pens. It's up to your interpretation how you use ink. Finger painting. You can finger paint using paint, or you can finger paint using ink pads. It's entirely up to you, but get your hands in there and get into your piece, okay? Music, book, or dictionary pages. Now, you can use these any way that you want. You can Mod Podge them on, glue them down, tear them however you want to add them. Maybe they're the background. Maybe they're a focal point. It doesn't matter. Strips of paper, that plays into music, book, and dictionary pages. Also, use the color red in some way. Now, it doesn't have to be like red paint or red ink. It could be a red button. It could be a red piece of washi tape. Maybe it's a piece of red fabric or red yarn. Something red, add that to your project. That's it. I would love to see what you come up with. So if you would be so kind, you can always post this in my Facebook group. Just go down to the description. There's a link down there for the Facebook group. Go on over there and post it to the group, and either myself or Arlene will get that put up as quickly as we can. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.